Hello, English viewers, and whoever wants to download or sideload games to the Quest 3. I've already mentioned in the video, even though it's in Arabic, how do you install like Rookie Sideloader, but I'm gonna just quickly repeat the same process, solving just minor issues that people had when downloading this stuff. Well, first of all, you need a couple of files. You're gonna need the Oculus ADB driver, and you're gonna need the VRP Pirates slash rookie. You go in here and you click on release RSL rookie sideloader, and you click on the Android sideloader.exe. That will download. And for this, you just click download, accept the terms and conditions, and download both files. Well, after you get both files, you need to do something, which is turn off the Windows Defender security whatsoever. Because it will always detect Rookie as a tampering program, and yeah, it'll basically delete it. If you forget this step, you'll find that in the protection history, look for something like severe or like lower difficulties, not difficulties, no lower like problems, and you just gotta restore the file. That's all. Once you turn off this, you can go ahead and click on Rookie Sideloader to download it. But first, I'm gonna start with the Oculus ABD driver. You wanna extract this here. Double click the file. Go here and go for Android WinSub.inf. Right click that and hit install. Just click yes and the operation will be complete. That's all you need. That's about it. And yeah, we don't need this anymore. You can go ahead and delete it if you want to. Doesn't matter anymore. Now, more moving on to the important step. This did not used to work, not just because of the Windows security, but because the public config file is messed up and people didn't fix it for a while. After double clicking this and knowing that it's a malicious file and whatsoever and clicking run anyway, you will be prompted to provide a public config. Now, thanks to a Reddit post, which I usually do, thanking someone on Reddit, he stated that this issue can be solved by looking for a channel on Telegram. This is the link for it. I'll provide it in the description. And copying this text specifically, copy selected text, right clicking over here, creating a new text document. Don't change the name for now, but keep in mind you gotta click view and show file name extension because you're gonna change that txt extension to JSON. You double click this and you paste wherever you copied from the Telegram channel. You click save, and now comes the name changing thingy. You double click the name, you rename this to VRCS or anything, it doesn't matter. And you remove the text, click JSON, click enter. Since you changed the file name extension, it's just saying, are you sure you don't want it? Are you sure about changing this? You just click yes. You rerun the exe, click on provide public config from file. You click on the file you just made and you click open, apply, and just like that, Rookie Sideloader should be open to you. It will prompt you to update because the 3.2 version just downloaded. So you wait for everything to, you know, install. You say update now. Sorry, click. Okay, you wait for that to move away. All right. Since we discussed the main issues, there are like minor inconvenience things that you need to, know as well. Is the first thing you need to do is go to settings, disable delete games after install. What this does basically, anything that you installed on your PC before copying or installing on the Quest will be deleted. As soon as you move that file into the Quest, it will be deleted on your PC. You might need that again, so go ahead and turn off this. Other than that, the bandwidth limits, just in case you don't want to, pull all the internet and megabytes from your home and you want to share it, you want to set a limit. That's up to you. You save and close this. What else? Device settings. This is used to be turned on. Now it's off by default. So thank God, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, if you don't have your Quest connected by now, and you clicked on a game and pressed download, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. The file will download on your PC. You just have to connect the Quest and move it onto it. So let's say I clicked install before connecting my Quest 3. You see it says it didn't connect to a device. It didn't find a device to install the game to, but the game is not gone. It's just here. You gotta look for it. Now, I downloaded a game called 17 Seconds. If I scroll up and down over here, oh, you see, there are 17 seconds. All you need to do now is connect your Quest via Type-C cable and move this to here. And it says retry because I haven't connected it. Other than that, there is no significant problems other than the file name extension, the Windows security. That should be it. You can download any games. Some of them are online, some of them are offline. You're gonna have to check the Rookie Sideloader wiki or anything else. And yeah, that's it. That's how you get free games on your Quest 3.